In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep text after removing a dropdown in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever used dropdown lists in Google Sheets and later decided you don't need them, you might worry that removing the dropdown will erase the text in those cells. The good news is, you can safely remove the dropdown while keeping whatever text or values are already there. I'll show you exactly how to do that and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start by selecting the cells that currently have the dropdowns. Click the first cell, and if you need a whole range, drag across or down to include everything. If your dropdowns are scattered, hold the Control or Command key while clicking each cell to select multiple non-adjacent cells. You'll usually see a small arrow in the cell when it contains a dropdown, which helps you confirm you've got the right ones. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Data. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the tools related to sorting, filtering, and validation rules. From the Data menu, choose Data Validation. Depending on your screen, this may open a panel on the right side or a dialog. You'll see the rule or rules that define the dropdown for your selected cells. Now click Remove Validation. This is the key action. Removing validation turns off the rule that enforces the drop-down list and its restrictions. It does not clear the cell contents. Any text, numbers, or dates that were already entered remain exactly as they are. You're simply removing the list and the little arrow. This is especially helpful if people have typed custom entries and you want to keep them, or if you're moving from a controlled list to free-form input. Finally, click Done. This confirms the change and closes the panel or dialog. After this, the drop-down arrows should disappear from your selected cells, but your existing text stays intact. If you're working across multiple ranges, you can repeat the same selection and removal process for each group. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the data validation option, make sure you're on the desktop version of Google Sheets in a browser, since the mobile apps place options differently. Also, remember that removing validation is different from clearing contents. Clearing or deleting cells would remove your text, while removing validation only removes the rule. And if you change your mind right away, you can use undo to restore the previous validation. That's it. You've removed the dropdown while keeping your text exactly as it was.